group, that's why I just write div class input group and margin 3. Then first one is input type text, class form control, then news input, then placeholder, name I don't need, placeholder, your email. If you are using email, then here just use input type email. Okay. Then after this email, you need another one, this button. You need this button, but inside that input type text, that's why you are writing here div class again input group append. Okay, these all things you can read on Get Bootstrap site. Okay, span class input group text, and I just use subscribe. Okay, let me show you how it look like. Okay, something like this. Then we will design. First I will show you Get Bootstrap. Documentation, then components, input group. Okay, in input group, whatever, like this one we have used this like this. Okay, then you can see that this is the code. Prepend, instead of prepend, what I have write append. Okay, I need append. Okay, if I use prepend, then okay, like you can copy from here and you can paste here. Okay, I just use here append. Okay, then this part is over. Like we have created the newsletter, this newsletter. Okay, we will design it. This 3 we have created, then we will design all the things. Then the next one is this container. Okay, then after this div, this, then after this div create again div class container. Inside this I need another one div class fa icons. See, I am not using here row. I will show you how to get that particular way. Okay, simply I am using the icons. Then inside this icons I have a reference, then target underscore blank, then inside this a I have I class FAB FA Facebook. Okay, like this. How many icons I need? 4. 1 2 3 4. Then just copy, press 2 3 4. Then here FA Twitter, then FA, Instagram, then FA, YouTube. Okay, let me show you how it comes. It comes like this. Okay, but how I want like this. Then what I have to do, just go to this container and use dflex. Okay, you can see it comes in one row, dflex, then justify content around, then align item center, then text center, then I just give a class name social network. See, it aligned properly. Okay, by in HTML itself I have done the alignment. Okay, after this you can see that here is a copyright, and this one how we get, this one is HR. I have already told you, this is if you want a line between, then just use HR. Means after this div. Okay, this div is which one? After this div use HR. What happened? ID is used to link all the sections. Okay, if you want to because in this particular here H reference, in this place you are going to put the ID. For that reason we are using the ID. Okay, got it, Nada? Then HR means okay. In HR, once I put an HR, you can see it give a underline. It will give underline, but after you can see once I add something. Okay, HR. Then here I just use one div. You can directly also write, but I want to give margin here itself and text center. Here I have a paragraph and Control Z. I have to paste that here, this one, copy, paste. Okay, you will get like this. Okay, you get you can see that you get a division like mark, then copyright. Then here another one thing we need, this button. This we have already done. The same thing we are going to do here. This button. Then after this div, create another one div and give the class scroll top float right, because I need it in right corner. Then I class FA arrow up, and I need a on click event of function. Okay, and here also I need an ID because I want to refer this. This ID is my PTM. Okay, we got here. This HTML part is completed. Then we will see the CSS part. First, I will give the style to the footer section. Footer, what style I want to give? I want it to width 100%, then height it will take auto, then padding top 2 rem, then background color. You can see that I have used one background color, that's why background has 00 ABFF. Then position relative. See here. Okay, it apply the background color. Then start from paragraph dot footer section paragraph. Then the paragraph color, obviously I need white. This is in black, now it will become white. Okay. If you want to change the font size, font style, all the things, you can do it. Okay. Then dot footer section LIA, here font size 0.9 rem, then line height 1.6, font weight light, then color white, then text transform capitalize. Okay. Then dot footer section H3 text transform uppercase, color white, margin bottom 25 pixel, then font size 1.2 rem, important, then font weight bold, then text shadow 0 2 pixel 5 pixel RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.4. This is for H3. Okay, now it changed. Okay, then this social icons and newsletter. This list, if you want to remove that button, then you have to write just write list style none. Okay, it's remove. Okay, I will see that. Then we have the social icon. Then dot social network width 100 pixel or 100%, then height auto, then position absolute, then right 0, top 40%. This is the social network. Okay, Then I need to change increase the icon size dot fa icons width 40 pixel, height 40 pixel. You can see that the size get changed. No, what happened? Social fa icons, social network. Okay, this is not this. Why it come here? Okay, I will see that. This is the social network. No, okay, I just don't give anything the social network, just simply remove that. Okay, then dot fa icons. This icons inside the okay, class container. Okay, fa icons, border radius 50% because I want it in rounded shape. Then background linear gradient, and I just give this color as FB 0% and has EB ED EE 100%. Okay, this icon size, why it is not changing? FA icons. Okay, FA icons. Okay, dot fa icons width 40 pixel and height 40 pixel. Okay, if I do this one relative and just absolute, then we can do it. But okay, I will give some task to you also. Okay, you can do like this, relative and absolute. Okay, you can make that FA icons relative and you can do it in absolute to make the size same. Okay, what happened? Control S. Okay, like if you want to make the icon size also same as the rounded circle, but I don't want the icon size same as the rounded circle. Okay, only thing what I want here, align atoms center and justify content center. Okay, okay, then to all the icons I want to give the margin nth child even, then margin (20 pixel) and 0. Okay, it gives the margin. Then once you hover here, why it is not coming like this way? Yes. Okay, then once you hover dot fa icons hover, then when you hover you want to change the background color, then you just copy this thing and paste to bottom. Here I just change this D465EF and this one 615CFD. Let me show you. Okay, once you hover you can see that the color is getting changed. Then this newsletter, we will style this newsletter dot newsletter. I want it should be width 100%, height auto, and margin 80 pixel auto. See, 80 pixel auto means from top and bottom I want 80 pixel. Okay, then these two things, this input group and this one. Okay, the first one is dot input news input dot news input. In news input, first I just in the border radius I want it in circle rounded, that's why I just give the border radius from the four side. You just check that whether you are writing the correct spelling or not. Okay, important. Then min height 45 pixel and min width 150 pixel. Simply rounded. Then we want to make this one also rounded. Then that is dot input group text color white, then background I am giving the background color 5BC0DE, important. Then border radius, because I want it also round, what you have to do 100 pixel. See, that is the, see here from this side I want round, but here from this side I want round, that's why 100 pixel 100 pixel then 0. Understood? This two corner I need round, and in this case this two corner I need round. Okay, important. Then mean width and mean height. Mean height you must keep same. Okay, mean width I don't want 150, I need little bit small, that's why I just use 130. Okay, see, it comes like this. But if you not use mean height, suppose here use 25 pixel, it will something it goes up. Okay, 45 pixel, then it will exactly fit. Okay, see, that is your task to remove this dot. Okay, I will send the code, but you just try it by yourself to remove this dot. Okay. Then we will do this scroll top. This is exactly same what we have done in the last project. That's why what I am going to do, right click, inspect. Okay. Then script. Okay. In script, what I want, this last one. Okay. Then I need to 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Then here from this style I want where is the bottom style? This one. Okay. This part copy, then here paste. We will get button. Okay, we got the button. Then we need the script. Then go to the index and copy the script. Okay, and paste it inside the script. Okay, here. Let us see. Okay, it goes off. Okay, only for smooth behavior, what I have to do, I have already told you. For the smooth behavior, you have to use here I have not used. Okay, here I forget to use. For smooth behavior, HTML scroll behavior smooth. Okay. Okay, it becomes